Catch it. Reach down there and grab him. Don't let him run. Oh, me don't let him run. Good Lord.
Dude, we're trying to make good content.
Where's your net? Madison, it never works out the way you want it to.
Probably a chicken.
Well, sometimes you just gotta deal with the ants. There he is right there. Look at him, I got him on camera.
Yeah, well...
Climb under there and get him.
How am I gonna crawl under there and get him? I'm that tiny.
Madison, you a country kid.
Yeah? So what?
So get under there
I
and get
was
him.
a city kid.
Here we go. So you're what they call a transplant?
Sure.
Sure. Whatever. Stick around, I'll learn you something. You gotta lay down on your back.
It's right here. It's right here. You just hop back.
Oh, that stinking weasel.
Where's he at?
He's on top of that box.
Box?
I got him. Oh! I got that sucker. He didn't elude me very long. Good Lord, got me out here chasing dadgum rabbits and stuff. Breathing like a whole fat man. My back hurting and stuff. Now I gotta go work on a daggum truck. Or something. That daggum rabbit hair holding my phone and stuff. Baby brother, what you doing? I like that shirt you got. Where'd you get it? Walmart? Daggum, your brother must love you. Hey, well, we got that belt put on. It took 37 seconds. I ain't even have time to get the camera turned on, you know what I mean? That's how quick we are. Oh, yeah.
I can't get the wrench off.
Oh, hell, here we go.
Wrench it.
That boy always has had problems getting his tools to work right. Just leave it in there. What's it gonna hurt? I won't make too much a racket. Oh.
Like a brand daggum new one.
That thing don't even squeak no more. Daggum. There you go. Jacob McCord Farm Project. Look here, man. We gotta go out here and work on some daggum pig pens. We're gonna bush hog this field. The daggum pigs are getting out somewhere. They keep going under the darn hot wire. So we're gonna bush hog the thing. See if we can find a daggum broken wire, you know what I mean? Baby brother's already down here. It sounds like he is tearing stuff up. But I'm getting ready to get on the big tractor and I'm really gonna tear it up, you know what I mean? Hello! There's not really a whole lot on the pumpkin. sucker keeps spinning for like 30 minutes. Good Lord. I feel like an old man. Thing about broke my back. I know you couldn't hear me a minute ago when I said, I know you can't hear me, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. The rules are, if the tractor will push it down, the cutter will cut it. That's the rules. I didn't make the rules, but that's why they put me on the big tractor, because I test the rules. Hey, I don't care. I'll push them big old trees over, man. Tell you what. Look at come out here. What are y'all doing out there? Y'all won't eat none of them weeds until we cut them down, and then you want to come out here and daggum eat all of them, don't you? Huh? What do you think about that? Oh, cut ham, get your ham. Look at him run. Look at him run. Run, pig, run. Got baby brother over here. I left some daggum flowers for my bees. Looks like he's gonna mow them all down. Daggum. They look a little bit better. There's that other pole I'm looking for right there. Oh. Oh. This one's the one we call white ham. Look at here. Let me turn around here behind him. Look at that. Look at how white his little butt is. See that? That whole ham is white. This one right here is the one we call muddy belly. See how much mud she's got on her belly? Good Lord. Baby brother, this ain't a job to do if your back hurts. Yeah. A little old bit. Look at this old ugly yaller pig coming up here.
You know about these pigs, eh?
Yeah, they don't care nothing about them.
Looks like they in hog heaven.
They hog heaven. Listen here. Them pigs don't want to eat no grass until we come out here and mow it down. Then they out here just munching and munching.
I ain't never seen them out here this much.
I know.
I guess you couldn't really see out here that much.
Well, that's true too. Daggum weeds is over the tractor. I mean the big tractor, not this little old tractor. That bigger. It looks good. I think it'll look good. I think once we get some grass planted on it, we're gonna plant some, I think we're gonna plant some ryegrass or plant some wheat or something on here. Cause we're fixing to turn these pigs back loose on them beans. Cause them beans, I would show you, but it's just thick, man. I don't wanna go back in there. Them beans. Look, them beans are looking pretty good. They got flowers on them right now. They fixing to start making beans. That means it's getting ready to be pig food time. And let me tell you what, there's gonna be a gob of beans over there because them suckers are growing and growing, I tell you what. Yeah, but we're gonna plant a little bit of grass in here. We're gonna turn them pigs loose on that darn bean field and let them eat over there for a couple weeks. And then we're gonna let this wheat grow for a couple, 3 or 4 weeks. And then we're gonna turn them back loose on this one too. Huh, I don't care. What do we care? It costs $35 for a bag of ryegrass. You know what I'm saying? And that'll plant this whole field twice. Probably just once with us, though. The way we do it, you know, professional style. All right, hey, McCord Farm Project out.